Hello there. I wanted to give you a little tour of Schoology and Edgenuity to help you understand what you're supposed to be doing each week. So I'm in Schoology right now, and I'm using a student to be able to show you guys. You're going to click on your courses, and you're always going to go to this virtual learning 4th grade. You want to do this every single day, okay? Then you're going to click on August 24th. Your Edgenuity login is in there. You're going to click on this link. Okay. Your login information is going to be all capital letters, Angelo, and then whatever your student ID number is. I'm using somebody else's for the purposes of showing you guys. And then your password is your birthday. Now what's different about this is that for some people it is not a front-loading 0. So that means if your birthday is like January, it will not be 01. It'll just be 1 and the number. So they changed that up on us, and that's given some people a little bit of trouble. Okay, when you go into Edgenuity, you're going to see that you have a dashboard. That's what we're on right now. You can click on your messages. Right now you don't have anything in there that's really important. You can archive those messages if you would like to. You have information about who your teacher is, if there's anything in there. You can get to all of that in Schoology, okay? What you want to do is go to your dashboard, okay? In your dashboard, to begin, you want to click on one of these subjects. Doesn't matter which one. It's going to open a section of Edgenuity called Buzz, okay? And this is your dashboard in Buzz, okay? There's a to-do list that will pop up with all of the things that are due for the week. They will have due dates, so you'll know what you need to get done. You can start by clicking on Language Arts. Okay? The first thing that you're going to do is whatever's in the list. So this says Getting Started, so I'm going to press play. Okay? I have to go through all of this, or whatever yours looks like. 3rd grade, it might look a little different. You have to go through all of this. You have to read it and listen to it, and it's really for parents too, not just kids. When you've gone through all of it, you're going to mark it complete. You have to mark things complete in order to go on to the next activity. Sometimes it takes it a few minutes and you just have to wait, okay? If you've marked that previous activity complete, it'll take you to your next activity, okay? So, in order to do this, you're going to press start and begin it, okay? And so forth. Notice that it's not letting me do anything else because I have not done that. I have to complete that before I can move on, okay? Now, you have a workbook as well. Your workbook has pages in it that go along with your activities that are in Buzz. So, all of them are in the packet that your parents picked up at Altaloma. They're all in one packet, okay? So just look through there. When you need a math paper, you will be able to find it, okay? When you are doing that activity and you need to submit something, you're going to click on that submission button that pops up. I can't get to it because I haven't completed all of these, okay? But it's going to pop up a submission and a plus sign. You can take a picture and save it to your computer and upload it that way, okay? If you have trouble with that, email me and I will try to do a video on how to do that when I am using someone else's account that has gone that far. Okay? I hope this helps you know what you're supposed to do. When you're done, remember, if you go back to your student app, you can click on your to-do list, and this will tell you everything that you need to do and when it's due. Okay? So when you're done with all of those things, it will keep going on to the next week. You do not need to move on that quickly. You do have to log in to both Schoology and Edgenuity every day to get attendance. Even if you're finished with all of your activities, you still have to log in. I hope that helps you.